Apple Mail versus Proton Mail. Which email app is better? Choosing the right email app can completely change how you manage your inbox without sacrificing privacy or convenience. Apple Mail offers seamless integration, while Proton Mail focuses on security and encryption. Apple Mail and Proton Mail are two popular email apps with distinct approaches. Apple Mail emphasizes smooth integration across Apple devices, while Proton Mail prioritizes end-to-end encryption and user privacy. The core difference lies in balancing convenience with security. Apple Mail is the default email client for Apple devices, designed to deliver a unified and intuitive email experience. It works by connecting to various email providers through standard protocols like IMAP and POP, allowing users to manage multiple accounts in one place. Its strengths include deep integration with iOS, macOS, and iCloud, enabling features like handoff, rich notifications, and smart mailboxes. Users benefit from a clean interface and seamless syncing across devices. However, Apple Mail lacks built-in end-to-end encryption, relying on the security of the email provider instead. This can be a limitation for users needing strong privacy protection. Ideal users are those deeply embedded in the Apple ecosystem who want a straightforward, feature-rich app for managing personal and professional emails without additional setup. Proton Mail is a secure email service focused on privacy, offering end-to-end encryption by default. It operates through a web interface and dedicated apps, encrypting emails so only the sender and recipient can read them. Proton Mail's strengths lie in its strong security features, including zero-access architecture, open-source cryptography, and Swiss privacy laws backing its service. It also supports anonymous sign-up and self-destructing messages. On the downside, Proton Mail's interface is more basic compared to Apple Mail, and it has limitations with integrating non-Proton accounts. Its free tier has storage and feature restrictions which may require upgrading for heavy users. Proton Mail is ideal for users who prioritize privacy and security above all else, such as journalists, activists, or anyone concerned about data protection. Apple Mail excels in user experience and integration, making it perfect for those who want a seamless email workflow across Apple devices. It supports multiple accounts and rich features, but depends on external providers for security. Proton Mail, in contrast, offers unmatched privacy with built-in encryption, but sacrifices some convenience and integration. For example, Apple Mail is great for managing everyday emails with calendar and contact sync, while Proton Mail is better for confidential communications requiring strong encryption. Users must decide if they prefer ease of use and ecosystem benefits, or enhanced security and privacy controls. Both apps serve distinct needs, with Apple Mail focusing on productivity and Proton Mail on protecting sensitive information. Choose Apple Mail if you want a polished, integrated email experience on Apple devices and do not require advanced encryption features. Opt for Proton Mail if privacy and security are your top priorities, especially for sensitive communications. Its encryption and privacy-first design provide peace of mind, even if it means a simpler user interface. Both apps excel when matched to the right user needs.